In 2015, trade in counterfeit goods cost the global economy an estimated $1.7 trillion. Counterfeiting is a serious problem, which has grown by over 10,000% in the last 2 decades. It affects people's livelihoods, steals jobs from legitimate markets, and in the case of medicine, food, and electrical goods, exposes consumers to serious health and safety risks. According to the World Health Organization, global sales of counterfeit pharmaceuticals reached $431 billion in 2012. More than 80% had a direct impact on public health. Staying ahead of the counterfeiters is crucial, and a revolutionary technology called microoptics is enabling brand owners and consumers to do just that.
At Rolling Optics, we create small microstructures basically on the top surface of the base foil, which is a PP52 film called RO52, which is supplied and developed by Innovia Films. Their expertise, of course, is key developing a base foil that works well with the rest of our processes. The next stage, we would apply a small layer of varnish on the backside of the material, and we would actually do nano printing, which is small microdots on the back of the material. Of course, the end thickness of the material, which would be approximately 8 to 7 microns, would be the exact focal point of these small microstructures that we would create on the top of the material. Just to give you an idea how small we can actually print, we could print the whole English dictionary 1,000 times on one A4 sheet. So it's really this which makes it impossible for anyone else to copy what we do. At Rolling Optics, of course, we can include other security features in the actual film. The overt security feature is obvious. It's actually for the end consumer picking up the product, identifying that the security label has the 3D effect. You don't need a scanner, you don't need a mobile phone, you don't need any other devices to do this. And then this consumer would feel really sure that yes, this is an authentic product. We can also make covert security feature. We can print microtext in the actual material that you could only see with a microscope, for instance. We can create other effects like flip-on, flip-off effects, seeing different images depending on the angle that you're actually looking at the label. And we can micro-tag a material in a specific place that we only know of. And this would require a forensic analysis of the material that only we can perform. We can include additional security features on the converting side, such as security slits, where the label would break if you try and remove it. We can add permanent adhesive, which would make it virtually impossible to remove. It would work with any standard label applicator machine. It can be applied inline, also in high-speed application. Of course, creating a 3D effect in a label will prompt the consumers to actually interact with the packaging. If you pick it up, there is a 3D effect to it. You want to look at it more closely. So a security label can actually enhance your brand, enhance your product as well.
Customizable, easy to authenticate, and virtually impossible to replicate, our micro-optical 3D security labels offer an innovative solution to today's security needs. If you have specific requirements or would like more information about this patented technology, please contact us. Secure your brand with confidence.